In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email subscription to Squarespace, ensuring that you can effectively engage with and grow your audience right from your website. This feature is crucial for maintaining communication with your audience, sending newsletters, and sharing updates. We'll walk through this process step by step, making it simple and easy to follow. First, you'll want to start at the home page of Squarespace. Navigate from there to the Contact section. This area is essential because it's where you'll manage your communications and subscribers. By clicking on Contact, you'll be taken to a place where you can start setting up your email subscription form. Once you're in the Contact section, look for and click on the Add option. This step allows you to begin the process of incorporating new subscribers into your mailing list. It's the gateway to expanding your reach and keeping your audience informed and engaged with your content. After clicking on Add, you'll encounter a prompt asking, "How would you like to add subscribers?" This is where you decide on the method of adding your subscribers. For this tutorial, we're focusing on adding subscribers manually, so you should select the Add an Individual Subscriber option. This way, you can input subscribers one at a time, which is especially useful for smaller lists or when starting out. Next, hit Next to proceed further. At this point, you're almost there. The subsequent screen is where you'll add the individual subscriber details. It's important to fill out these details accurately to ensure a smooth subscription experience for your audience. Now comes the step where you enter the subscriber's email address. This address is vital because it's the main point of contact for your newsletters and updates. Make sure to double-check for typos or errors to avoid communication issues. Following the email, fill in the first and last name fields. Including names can personalize your communication, making your subscribers feel valued and recognized when you send out your emails. It's a small touch, but can significantly impact how your audience perceives your messages. Then, make sure you add the subscriber to a mailing list. Mailing lists are an organizational tool within Squarespace that lets you group subscribers based on interests or other criteria. Assigning a subscriber to the correct list ensures they receive relevant content that resonates with them. Next, you'll need to confirm permission for adding this subscriber. This step is crucial for ensuring compliance with email marketing laws and maintaining trust with your audience. Always make sure that you have the subscriber's consent before adding them to any list. Finally, check that the option indicating "These subscribers accept marketing" is selected. This acknowledgement expresses that your subscribers are open to receiving marketing content, which could include promotions, special offers, or updates on new products or services. That's it. You've successfully added an email subscription to Squarespace, ready to maintain and grow your subscriber list with ease. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth setup process and set the stage for effective communication with your audience. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.